At GCash, we work towards finance for all. We believe that access to financial services is a basic right for everyone.
Hindi sapat sa amin na hanggang pangarap na lang ang Pilipino. We believe that every Filipino deserves the chance to make their dreams come true.
GGives, a product that gives Filipinos the opportunity to upgrade their lives the easy way.
Kaya kapag nagkulang sa cash, don't worry. Sagot ka ng GCredit, ang pantawid sa pangangailangan mo.
Sa GLoan, may pampuhunan ka kahit anong pangarap pa yan.
Sa GCash, we believe na para sa maliit na balik, hindi ka dapat nanliliit. Sakto Loans aim to help Filipinos borrow small amounts na pambalik in a stress-free way.
Ngayon, sa Fuse, maliit man o malaki, kaya mo na ang pangarap mo. When you borrow with GCash, sagot ka namin. Kaya mo, i-GCash mo.